Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. I will help you practice short, positive and negative sentences in English. Are you ready? Let's go. He is my father. Repeat after me. He is my father. He is my brother. Can you repeat that? He is my brother. He is my grandpa. Your turn. He is my grandpa. He is my uncle. Try saying that. He is my uncle. He is my boyfriend. Can you repeat that? He is my boyfriend. He is my friend. Your turn. He is my friend. He is my teacher. Repeat after me. He is my teacher. He is my husband. Try saying that. He is my husband. He is my doctor. Can you repeat that? He is my doctor. He is my neighbor. Your turn. He is my neighbor. He is my colleague. Repeat after me. He is my colleague. He is a nice person. Try saying that. He is a nice person. He looks very athletic. Can you repeat that? He looks very athletic. He is very intelligent. Your turn. He is very intelligent. He is very clever. Repeat after me. He is very clever. He is very talented. Try saying that. He is very talented. He is creative. Can you repeat that? He is creative. He is well dressed. Your turn. He is well dressed. He is a handsome boy. Repeat after me. He is a handsome boy. He is a good-looking man. Try saying that. He is a good-looking man. She is my colleague. Can you repeat that? She is my colleague. She is my neighbor. Your turn. She is my neighbor. She is my doctor. Repeat after me. She is my doctor. She is my wife. Try saying that. She is my wife. She is my teacher. Can you repeat that? She is my teacher. She is my girlfriend. Your turn. She is my girlfriend. She is my niece. Repeat after me. She is my niece. She is my grandma. Try saying that. She is my grandma. She is my sister. Can you repeat after me? She is my sister. She is my mom. Your turn. She is my mom. She is a nice person. Repeat after me. She is a nice person. She is a pretty girl. Try saying that. She is a pretty girl. She is a beautiful woman. Can you repeat that? She is a beautiful woman. She is a gorgeous woman. Your turn. She is a gorgeous woman. She is very intelligent. Repeat after me. She is very intelligent. She is very clever. Try saying that. She is very clever. She is creative. Can you repeat that? She is creative. She is talented. Your turn. She is talented. She looks very athletic. Repeat after me. She looks very athletic. She is well dressed. Try saying that. She is well dressed. He is not my father. Can you repeat that? He is not my father. He is not my brother. Your turn. He is not my brother. He is not my grandpa. Can you say that? He is not my grandpa. He is not my boyfriend. Repeat after me. He is not my boyfriend. He is not my friend. Try saying that. He is not my friend. He is not my uncle. Can you repeat that? He is not my uncle. He is not my colleague. Your turn. He is not my colleague. He is not my neighbor. Repeat after me. He is not my neighbor. He is not my doctor. Try saying that. He is not my doctor. He is not my husband. Can you say that? He is not my husband. She is not my wife. Can you repeat that? She is not my wife. She is not my doctor. Your turn. She is not my doctor. She is not my niece. Repeat after me. She is not my niece. Thanks for watching.